Now it's time to make a more solid gas furnace to melt metal in for future projects. Looking at its inside, it is insulated with a layer of KO wool, which is an insulating material which can withstand up to 1260 degrees Celsius. To protect the KO wool, it is covered with a 2 to 3 cm thick layer of refractory concrete that can withstand up to 1700 degrees Celsius. This lets us melt materials like copper and iron in the future. The inlet on the side lets us insert the gas burner seen in previous videos. Finally, it is fitted with a lid, also insulated and covered with refractory concrete. After some planning, we got started cutting out the stainless steel for the top and bottom of the furnace.
Og den er næsten tør.
The sheet metal for the sides is rolled into a cylinder using this metal roller. The two cylinders are then spot welded together using this 60-year-old spot welder. The next step was then to cut this metal pipe at an angle for the gas burner to fit through. Handles for the furnace is bent using this huge Sidan metal folding machine. It is quite impressive to see it work. The handles are also spot welded to the furnace. Now moving over to the welding room where all the pieces are joined together using a TIG welder. With all the metal work finished, it is time to insulate the furnace with KO wool. Cardboard pipes are used to create the desired shape and wall thickness of the refractory concrete when it is to be cast. The lid of the furnace is also insulated with KO wool and the refractory concrete. Holes are drilled into the lid to mounting bolts to hold in the refractory concrete after it's been cast. Så er det nemlig en premium pilsner. Some days later, when the refractory concrete has hardened, the furnace could slowly be heated up to get the remaining water out of the refractory concrete. To celebrate the newly built furnace, my brother dropped by with a bottle of our homemade apple cider. This was opened very gently. Look forward to the next video where we will be melting some copper into something very cool.